Okay, we now come to the fourth step, which is the final step of the final layer solving process. And it says to place any solved side to the back. Okay, now in this algorithm, there's an option here that either do upper inverse or upper. And whatever you do in the first part, you'll do in the last part of the algorithm. How do you know whether to use upper inverse or upper? Well, let's look at the cube here. Okay, so the solve side is at the back. Okay, and then we have these three sides that need to be moved into place. Okay, well, we can see the red needs to move over this way and the green needs to move over that way. So since there's two sides that both need to move upper inverse, we're going to use upper inverse in the algorithm. If there's two sides that need to move upper, well then we would use the upper in the algorithm. If you ever run into a situation where you're not sure which way to, whether to use upper or upper inverse, as this example, there's blue and orange and green and red, and it's not readily apparent which way you should turn the top layer here, whether you use upper or upper inverse. All you need to do is go through the algorithm for step 4. Just put it in any orientation, keeping the top yellow in this case. And when you do that, it'll become apparent which one to use. You may have to repeat step 4 of the final solve multiple times, but it will work out eventually. What this final solve is going to do is it's going to move these edge pieces to the correct orientation. Okay, so how does it go? It goes front to, in this case we're going to choose upper inverse as already discussed, then left, right inverse, front twice, left inverse, right, upper inverse, and front twice. And what do you know? We have a solved cube. All right, thank you very much for watching.